Want to know how to install Microsoft 365 on your Android? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Play Store or your App Store if you're on your Android or your iPhone. Since we're on our Android, you can just simply hit towards Play Store, and here on the bottom we should be seeing search bar, just like that. And then just simply on the top you can just simply search Microsoft 365. And here should be saying Microsoft 365 Copilot. You can just simply select that. To open it up, you can just simply directly select install right here, or you can just simply see what the app is about. You can see its images about this app, editor's choice, and newer updates, as well as reading and reviews as you scroll down. So you can just simply see in order to get new information, and then simply select install right here. Now once that is done, as you can see right here, your Microsoft 365 has started installing, and after a while you can just simply use it, and we have also created some videos for that. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and to remember us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.